Hey guys, Mike from Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm. Recently, I had a chance to tour the farm of Bob and Deborah Ford in Kansas City, Kansas. It was an awesome experience. Check it out.
Hey, this is Bob Ford with DNR Produce, and Mike with us out here again. We planted zucchini today. We plan to finish up on the tomatoes. We need some rain, like I said. We had a short day today. We're gonna probably go into maybe more watermelons next week. But as you can see, it's dry. We need water. We need water. So we're gonna catch you on the other end and let you know what's going on the other end.
Okay, let's go. You like this one? Down.
The category is royalty. We are excellence, yes, kings and queens, exuding brilliance. We are their scariest dreams. We are tens, no pretend. Crowd.
We are planting zucchini, finishing up on tomatoes. That's gonna be about it today. It's a short day today.
How's the season looking so far?
Looking real good. Chopped the onions out this morning. See how they chopped those? The beets. Everything looking pretty good right now. Just need a rain. But further than that, still early in the game. I mean, we about halfway done planting. So hopefully we're gonna do it. We got Mike again. Get this thing on the road. Give us some rain, Lord.
What an awesome time I had at the farm of Bob and Deborah Ford in Kansas City, Kansas. And thank you again for having me out, and look forward to working with you and your farm this year in 2023. All right, guys, I'm Mike at Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm. I'll see you in the next video.